Hello, magandang araw, hapon, gabi sa lahat. And in today's video, we're going to do another tool review. And this tool is from, of course, Lotus Tools Philippines. So this video is sponsored by Lotus Tools Philippines. Performance delivered. So thank you, Lotus, for sending me this vacuum cleaner. This is Lotus's vacuum cleaner. The what model? I cannot find the model. Oh, so this is the LT1250DWX/20ASX. So we're gonna do an unboxing, and from what I've been told, this has an onboard socket which you can plug in your tool in the vacuum cleaner itself, and then you could simultaneously use your tool and the vacuum cleaner. So that's a very innovative and useful function. Parang wala pa akong nakikitang ibang vacuum cleaner na ganun though. So yeah, props to Lotus. So upon opening, right out of the box, you have your manual. Yes, let's put that aside. An attachment, the wheels. So, yep, feel ko slide lang to. Like yung ina-attach, no? A brush attachment. Let's just neatly place that over there. So you have 3 wands, 3 extensions of the tool. I think sinasaksak to sa isa't isa. I think lang. Okay, so 1, 2. Yeah, so you can attach 3 to each other and create a telescope. Yes, this is a telescope para makita mo kung saan yung dumi. Joke, this is for reaching hard to reach areas. Other than that, vacuum cleaner na yung mismong unit na yung I need help do this myself. I hope I don't break anything. It's a decently weighty, di siya masyadong mabigat. So, wow. Dapat may handle to eh. I don't know. Ito lang yung mga attachments eh. I don't have a handle. So, ano ilalagay dito? Okay, anyway, so that's the unboxing. Those are the parts. And in your manual here is the warranty card. Keep this in case na wala ka ring handle. Joke lang, baka nandito, di ko lang makita. So let's look at the parts. So here, number 1 pa nga lang, may handle eh. Baka nasa loob. So there are more parts inside. So this is the filter. You can place it over there. This is the handle. So this is the hose. How long is the hose? Feel ko kasing tangkad ko lang to. So it's a 7-foot hose. Yep, kasing tangkad ko lang to. Medyo mas matangkad ng onte, siguro ganun lang. Tingnan nyo, kasing tangkad ko lang. See? More attachments. Okay. Screws. Don't lose your screws. So here are the complete parts. So here are the attachments. Sana kita pa ng frame, I think. Here are the attachments, 4 of them, and then these 3 extension wands, the hose, the 7-foot hose, casters or wheels, screws, handle, filter. It's a hard plastic material all around, which means it will not dent, it will not rust when in contact with water. So that's a great feature. So ito yung socket. So ano ba yung socket? So yung socket, kaya siya tawag socket kasi pag dinagay mo yung daliri mo dito, masakit. Makukuryente ka, kaya masakit. Joke lang. Anyway, so socket nga siya. So you can plug in your tool while using this, so they will simultaneously turn on. This is the switch for it. I'll show it to you later. So basically, that's the unboxing. Always double check for all the parts and assemble ko muna. Let's try assembling it. So